పేపర్ లాంటి
మళ్ళీ ఎక్కువ పెట్టబాకు इसमें डाल दूँ
जा जा जा
यस गाइस कम ऑन
मोरल सपोर्ट ही करता है
हाँ मेरे को लगा उठा के आई डिडंट नो
blew my mind bro
ब्लू योर माइंड
my mind is biomass with bamboo do it with bamboo any of the uniformity is required so for example there is a big lens small lens will be there so that time you have to make it according to your biomass the pit should be there did you go outside
Yes.
outside the pit
Yes.
no no
బయట
according to your biomass pit can be depth of 4 meter 4 feet width can be according to your biomass so not so much of it on that side and this side people can be there it should be operationalized so you put the biomass in it and actually you should fire from the top okay so slow so that what happens is oxygen will be going little slow and less okay and then once it is fired like this is what if you do in the open firing on this system what did you find the difference
The fire is going everywhere and it is burning irregularly.
less smoke here is
controlled smoke
control
Control.
controlled everything is controlled with the little oxygen is there with the little okay so same thing we are going in the reverse in the pit method if you want to make a bigger iron iron ones it is also expensive but what is that for the quality of biochar if you want you can use the kit if it is a soil application you can do it if you are doing for yourself you can make it with the
pit
okay so people will say if you are selling the biochar if you are doing in the pit method stones will be there the soil will be there the color of the biochar will be little different functions so in our PDC we are introducing the biochar how this can be applied to the soils for the to fix the carbon to facilitate the soil health okay we'll limit to that so in this process uniformity of biomass is that is called feedstock biomass in this context it is called feedstock what feedstock are you using
to heat up
Syngas.
to heat
so once you close
Feedback
this
loop.
you are, like close the lid no
యాక్చువల్లీ క్లోజ్ చేయాలి కదండి
so now keep on adding your now you can see the dancing flame also the flame will be dancing okay you can add keep on adding so this energy also if you want to tap on the top you can put some
పైప్ పెడతారు
omelette you can make or you can make a water boiling
water, yes.
At industrial level how it will be whatever you are burning in the kiln that will be smoke or energy will
Through
be
a pipe.
transmitted to another set of
చేంబర్
chamber so that also the same chamber will be again firing also can happen without anything with the syn gas will be released for example there is a pressure cooker okay pressure cooker put the lid take out the
the round thing
what is gasket
yeah.
gasket and then close it fire it on the from the this stove after some time the syn gas will be released on the top okay if you just fire it on the top it will be fire that is called syn gas again using as to fire this firewood got it after some time you are using the firewood so once they started releasing the gas that is where you can have a 100%
Higher carbon
credits.
credit.
Quality of the carbon credits will be calculated like that. Wood when you are firing, when you are making the biochar, if you start
Wood vinegar.
converting one chamber if you create for the wood vinegar will be collected. The moisture it is there in the wood, it will be turning into the wood vinegar. Okay, so the energy which is releasing, transferring into the syngas.
Biopesticide.
Wood vinegar, if you start using for the croplands, again, the calculations will be you are avoiding the pesticides. Means you are contributing to the yield. So that also will be calculated. There are so many factors need to be calculated. Once the flame is reduced, it means it's cooked.
You can taste it.
Yum.
Like rice is so thick.
So as in nature, once it is reached to the 500 degrees, if you put the water, it changes the shape. Blacksmiths, what they do?
They heat and then
They'll heat it and they'll put the water and they'll shape it. Okay. Similar thing will happen here.
What will be the temperature now?
Now it's around 300, 400 degrees. Wow. Okay. You have anything?
Raghu can try. Raghu can check out this.
అటు ఒకటి పట్టుకొని అమ్మా లిటిల్ అవే లిటిల్ అవే పక్కన ఆ చెట్టు మీద పెట్టేసి and put the water, put the water, somebody can put the water, come fast. So see, it's turning into the ash, it means it is turning into the ash, you don't get anything. Before turning into the ash, put the water. And don't put the water on this.
When do we have to put the water?
just before it becomes into that ash, pure ash,
Side lo hook undi.
spread చేసి
Take this and check. Will be taken out. The moisture, the gases, whatever is there, oils, it will be taken out.
ఇదేనా మనకు ఫైనల్ ప్రోడక్ట్
This is called bites. Turns into the ash, put the water. So 1 kilo of the biochar.
1 kilo of biomass, 1:4.
Drum coat చేయాలి. Very efficient.
But it's
1 kilo of biomass turning into 250 grams of biochar. Sometimes 300 grams too.
పెద్ద గుడి చేసుకుంటాం.
for example, this soil. Okay. Just leave it for a week.
A week.
Let it go with the carcinogenic effect. The
Okay.
pH levels will be little reduced. Then half compost. And then if the biochar mold comes, it will be. Okay. So when you are mixing it with the biochar and manure together, we need to mix it. Once you mix it, no, put the jaggery water on the top.
it will be activated by charcoal.
Like until it comes become laddu, you can do it.
And this you should leave it for how long?
Or every week, 1 week.
మిక్స్ చేసాక కూడానా
మిక్స్ చేసిన తర్వాత ఒక 1 వీక్ అట్లా పెట్టేసి ఇచ్చేస్తే బికాజ్ యూ యాడెడ్ ద జాగరీ దర్ ఇస్ అ లైఫ్ అండ్ లెట్ ద లిటిల్ మాయిశ్చర్ ఇస్ దేర్ వాట్ హ్యాపెన్స్ మైక్రోబ్స్ డెవలప్
డికే
These pieces will be like this. Okay. This is called torrefied wood.
This is called?
Torrefied wood.
Oh, this is.
So unburnt will be there. Okay, some portion is burnt, some portion unburnt. This is called torrefied wood. So some species, like for example, Acacia holoceris, where the yellow flowers are there, eucalyptus, it has oils. So what is that? The burning collect. What is that? Flammable. Flammable. That is very high. So in that, so it burns very fast. So according to your need. Again, the same thing. If you want to do it for the paddy husk, it will be slow. But we cannot do it with the kiln. We cannot do it with the pit. So we need to use the trench method. So slowly it will burn. Itka buttel chushinda. Slowly it will. Brick making factory. So they put the slowly it will fire. So like that, there is a different strategies which we need to follow. Depends on the biomass. Okay. You got
Still.
the quality.